Hey there, fellow parents and guardians. Today, we're diving into the world of car seats, your ultimate travel companion ensuring the safety of your precious cargo. With countless options out there, finding the perfect one can be daunting. But fear not, we've meticulously curated a list of the top 5 car seats to make your decision a breeze. From sleek designs to cutting-edge safety features, we've got you covered. So, let's buckle up and embark on this journey of discovery. Kicking off our list at number 1, Silver Cross Dream I-Size with Isofix base. The Silver Cross Dream I-Size with Isofix base is a game-changer in the realm of car seats. Crafted with utmost precision and innovation, this seat offers unparalleled safety and comfort for your little one. Benefits and usage. This car seat not only prioritizes safety but also prioritizes convenience. The removable cover makes cleaning a breeze, while the ergonomic handle allows for easy transport. Plus, with its compatibility with Silver Cross strollers, transitioning from car to stroller is seamless. Usability. Whether it's a quick grocery run or a long road trip, the Silver Cross Dream excels in every scenario. Its intuitive design and user-friendly features make it a breeze to use, even for first-time parents. Durability. Built to last, this car seat is crafted from premium materials that withstand the test of time, ensuring your child's safety ride after ride. In the second spot, we have Maxi Cosi Titan Pro I-Size. Next up on our list is the Maxi Cosi Titan Pro I-Size, a versatile and reliable car seat designed to grow with your child. Engineered with precision and care, this seat offers top-notch safety features without compromising on comfort. Key features. With its multiple recline positions, adjustable headrest, and superior side impact protection, the Maxi Cosi Titan Pro ensures a comfortable and secure fit for children of various ages and sizes. Its easy-in harness system and simple installation make it a favorite among parents. Benefits and usage. This car seat is a parent's dream come true, offering hassle-free adjustments and a machine-washable cover for easy maintenance. Its extended rear-facing option provides added safety for young passengers, while the spacious design ensures a cozy ride for growing kids. Usability. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a family road trip, the Maxi Cosi Titan Pro delivers unparalleled performance and ease of use. Its lightweight construction and intuitive features make it a breeze to install and adjust, saving you time and effort. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials and subjected to rigorous testing, this car seat is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Rest assured, your investment in the Maxi Cosi Titan Pro I-Size will provide years of reliable protection for your child. Coming in at number 3 is the Joie Calmi and Ibase Encore. Meet the Joie Calmi and Ibase Encore, a winning combination of style and safety. Designed with both parent and child in mind, this car seat offers unbeatable comfort and peace of mind on every journey. Key features. Boasting a cozy newborn insert, adjustable recline positions, and built-in side impact protection, the Joie Calmi ensures a secure and comfortable ride from infancy to toddlerhood. Its Ibase Encore adds an extra layer of stability and ease of installation. Benefits and usage. This car seat is a parent's best friend, offering hassle-free adjustments and a machine-washable cover for easy cleaning. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it a breeze to carry, while the one-click installation system simplifies the setup process. Usability. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road, the Joie Calmi and Ibase Encore provide unmatched versatility and convenience. Its compact footprint and user-friendly features make it a perfect fit for any vehicle, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Durability. Built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use, this car seat is engineered from premium materials and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards. Invest in the Joie Calmi and Ibase Encore for a reliable and stylish travel companion for your little one. Taking our 4th spot is Cybex Anoris T I-Size. Introducing the Cybex Anoris T I-Size, a cutting-edge car seat designed to prioritize safety and comfort. Engineered with state-of-the-art technology and innovative features, this seat offers superior protection for your child on every journey. Key features. With its energy-absorbing shell, adjustable headrest, and patented LSB system, the Cybex Anoris T provides maximum side impact protection and optimal head and neck support. Its one-hand recline function and magnetic harness holders make for easy adjustments and hassle-free rides. Benefits and usage. This car seat is designed with both parent and child in mind, offering intuitive features and premium comfort. Its breathable fabric and ergonomic design ensure a cozy and pleasant ride, while the machine-washable cover makes cleanup a breeze. Usability. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Cybex Anoris T delivers unrivaled performance and ease of use. Its compact size and straightforward installation process make it a perfect fit for any vehicle, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials and subjected to rigorous testing, this car seat is built to withstand the rigors of the. And finally, at number 5, we have Maxi Cosi Mico Eco. Last but certainly not least, we have the Maxi Cosi Mico Eco, a revolutionary car seat that combines eco-friendly materials with top-notch safety features. Designed with sustainability in mind, this seat offers peace of mind for eco-conscious parents. Key features: featuring recycled fabrics, a 5-point safety harness, and advanced side impact protection. The Maxi Cosi Mico Eco prioritizes both safety and sustainability. Its innovative Air Protect technology provides superior head protection, while the Easy In harness system ensures a secure fit. Benefits and usage. This car seat not only safeguards your child, but also helps protect the environment. Its removable and washable cover makes for easy maintenance, while its lightweight design and ergonomic handle facilitate effortless carrying. Usability. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend getaway, the Maxi Cosi Mico Eco offers unparalleled versatility and convenience. Its compact size and user-friendly features make it a perfect fit for any lifestyle, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Durability. Crafted from recycled and durable materials, this car seat is built to withstand the demands of daily use while minimizing its environmental impact. Invest in the Maxi Cosi Mico Eco for a safe, sustainable, and stylish travel solution for your little one. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive review of the top 5 car seats in the market. Remember, investing in a quality car seat is investing in your child's safety and comfort. So, take your pick from our list and hit the road with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Until next time, safe travels.